Hello, we're here at the first edition of the Fire Middle East Conference here in Riyadh. I'm delighted to be stood here with Sam Malins at the end of proceedings of what has been a fantastic day. Sam and Reacton are our platinum sponsor and have brought a huge amount of value to our delegates and to the agenda as well, with Ed, who's just finished up his keynote speech. So Sam, first of all, thanks so much for being here. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you and the team with us. I just want to learn a little bit more about Reacton as a business, because we've heard a lot on stage. First of all, we've learned that you went from sourcing products to creating your own. How did that change the company? How did that evolve how you offered your systems to your clients?
So, firstly, thank you very much for the intro. It's been a really good day. Really enjoyed today. Good team, good event, and great speeches. So really good. I think a little bit around Reacton, we started as an installer. So we were born in 2010 as Fireward, and we were born to solve a problem, as most businesses are, and that is to bring a system to the waste industry, particularly, which was an affordable fire suppression system. We worked with a company, manufacturer based in the UK, for about 3 or 4 years, and we kind of learned from dealing with them how we wanted to take our products in the future. And I think a couple of key takeaways was that we needed approvals, and there was a reluctance to invest in approvals, and there was also a longevity. We looked into the future and said, look, is this product going to last? So basically what we did is we got our heads together and said, look, we need to be in control of this. So particularly approvals, but as well as the quality. And as you saw today from Ed Barnes' speech, Ed heads that side of the business up extremely well, and that's what we're very passionate about, is delivering a quality product that's affordable, but with the right approvals, so our distributors find it easy to go into the market and sell.
Fantastic, and we're talking of approvals. We learned more with Mike Egan today, and obviously you've recently had the world's first UL certification.
Yeah, 2166.
Wasn't it? Fantastic.
For the direct system.
Brilliant, and I think really as a company you're innovating a lot and you're leading the market in a number of ways. And just before this, we were chatting about back in the day when you set fire to a 3-year-old JCB.
Three-day-old.
3-day-old JCB.
Yeah.
Just to test the systems. So you're obviously keen on experimentation. Is this something that you feel separates you from others in the market?
Yeah, I think if you look at how we've got on this journey now to a manufacturer, Ed and we started working together in the waste industry. We've got a waste management company in the UK, and that's where we spotted the opportunity for the fire suppression side. And I think if you look at, we spotted the opportunity with one of the businesses, then we worked with the manufacturer to install to that industry, and then we wanted to be in control of what the company did. So ultimately, that's what led to us setting fire to our 3-day-old machine. It basically turned up, and as it turned up, we installed the system on the machine. And the company we used before, that we fell in love with our technology, and I think a lot of people do. Our technology is extremely simple, and I think that's the great part about it. It's very simple. If there's pressure in the system, it cannot not go off. And we've improved the reliability over the years, and the reliability we've improved is the issues around a faulty system. It's not around when we have a fire. If we have a fire, we're going to put it out. Mm-hmm. The reliability issues around the system going flat before there's a fire. So that's what we have spent our time engineering out, is those issues. And I'd still set fire to our machinery in the yard. I did it for a very big customer in the UK, big scrap metal company. I remember I was with Ed, I don't know how long ago this was, probably 7 or 8 years ago, and they said, how does your system work? And I said, I'll set fire to a system in front of you. And we set fire to one of our, they were down to look at the fire businesses. We took them to the waste business and gave them the demonstration of how the system worked. But then we set fire to the machine, and it just puts it out every single time.
Love it.
Yeah.
If we're being totally honest, is one of the reasons that you're in this industry just because you love setting fire to big stuff?
That is, Ed would definitely say
it
yes
must be
to
a
that.
lot of fun.
Yeah. I just love delivering products to the market that work, that add value, and we've been very, very fortunate to grow a global brand. Did I think I'd be standing here 10 years ago in Saudi? No, I didn't. Or when we started, but the team have really helped us create a fantastic global brand, and we're passionate about putting fires out and protecting assets, but that are commercially viable to do so.
Definitely. Well, the proof is in the pudding. We've seen you cement your business here in the Middle East region. We've seen you grow, and we're seeing you at all of these events all around the region, showcasing what is a market-leading product. So really, Sam, I think the only way is up for you. We look forward to seeing you at future events, and
thanks very much.
Hopefully at future editions of the Fire Middle East Conference, where you'll keep bringing this innovation and keep bringing new certified products to the market here in Saudi.
Yeah,
so,
definitely.
Looking
You'll
forward
see
to
us
it.
here again.
Excellent. Thanks very much, Sam. Been a
Thanks
pleasure.
very much. Cheers.